Hello beautiful souls, this is JuneB and welcome to the Affirmation series. The way to let these affirmations work well, you can either repeat them or you can listen to them and let these affirmations wash over you with love and healing. What we will learn today is not only how to say these affirmations, also what comes up for us as we repeat these and think about how we feel while saying them. We are retraining our brains with positivity each day and allowing the negative thought patterns to take a rest and flood our system with joy and happiness. How often have you tried to start over again and failed? Repeating these affirmations at a time when you feel like you're slipping back into old patterns will allow you to take control and ground yourself in a positive outlook. So, get comfortable, relax. You can close your eyes or leave them open, your choice, and let's begin. Affirmations for deeper connections. I am a likable and interesting person. I am a likable and interesting person. I have many good qualities. I have many good qualities. I am a beautiful person. I am a beautiful person. I deserve to be loved and accepted. I deserve to be loved and accepted. I easily find common ground with other people. I easily find common ground with other people. I am confident about my social skills. I am confident about my social skills. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to be respected. I am a good listener. I am a good listener. I deserve to be treated with kindness. I deserve to be treated with kindness. I am interesting company. I am interesting company. I know how to keep the conversation going. I know how to keep the conversation going. I feel comfortable and confident around other people. I feel comfortable and confident around other people. I am genuinely interested in those around me. I am genuinely interested in those around me. I know how to keep good company. I know how to keep good company. I am a loyal friend. I am a loyal friend. I am open to receiving love. I am open to receiving love. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be loved. I am worthy of happy, healthy, and exciting relationships. I am worthy of happy, healthy, and exciting relationships. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be loved. I am committed to working on my relationships. I am committed to working on my relationships. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. I hold the keys to my own happiness. I hold the keys to my own happiness. I am lovable. I am lovable. I am full of love. I am full of love. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am grateful for the love in my life. I give and receive love fully. I give and receive love fully. I am surrounded by love. I am surrounded by love. I am grateful for all the love and kindness in my life. I am grateful for all the love and kindness in my life. I attract love effortlessly. I attract love effortlessly. I am committed to being caring, loving, and kind in any relationship. I am committed to being caring, loving, and kind in any relationship. I radiate love. I radiate love. Love is all around me. Love is all around me. It's okay for me to ask for what I need in my relationship. It's okay for me to ask for what I need in my relationship. I am deserving of love just as I am. I am deserving of love just as I am. I release control in my relationship. I release control in my relationship. I approach all my relationships with an open heart. I approach all my relationships with an open heart. I give my relationships the time and attention they need. I give my relationships the time and attention they need. I make space in my life for amazing relationships. I make space in my life for amazing relationships. I believe in infinite love. I believe in infinite love. I am worthy of happiness in my relationship. I am worthy of happiness in my relationship. I am grateful for all the relationships in my life. I am grateful for all the relationships in my life. I let go of the negative and allow love and positivity to flow into my life. I let go of the negative and allow positivity and love to flow into my life. I commit to setting healthy boundaries in my relationships. I commit to setting healthy boundaries in my relationships. I am filled with joy and happiness. I am filled with joy and happiness. All is well in my world. All is well in my world. As you slowly let these affirmations sink in, take a deep breath and give yourself a hug, knowing that all is well in your world. Now take the time to reflect on how you feel. Use your journal and think about how any of these affirmations made you reflect and which ones you may need to work on. Try to think about the affirmations that brought you joy and resonated deeply with you, also the affirmations that triggered you, and examine the reason why. Journaling, reflecting and doing some inner work and repeating these affirmations often are the best ways to make these affirmations really work. Listen to these in the background while you are working, cooking, tidying up, walking and even driving. Allow your subconscious to take in what it needs and let go of the rest. The more you listen, the more these affirmations become part of your thinking and therefore begin to manifest in your life. And so it is. See you again for another in this series of affirmations.